I see these signs every day. Guess I will take the Pacta COBOL training.
Why the world still needs COBOL developers. COBOL is not just a legacy language. It still powers critical systems in banks, insurance companies, and governments around the world. Every day, millions of transactions depend on COBOL code that must be maintained, updated, and understood. That's why COBOL developers are still in demand, and not enough people are learning it. Pacta COBOL training is designed especially for beginners. You don't need any technical background or installation to get started. With simple explanations and online tools, you can discover the power of COBOL step by step, even if you've never written a line of code before. Visit Pacta COBOL website, cobol.pacta.com.